Hi everyone, it's Caroline Gretti. Today we're gonna talk about the WalkingPad Z3 Hybrid Plus, a 3-in-1 foldable treadmill that allows you to walk, jog or run, all without taking too much space. So is it worth it? What are its key features? Let's find out together. One of the biggest advantages of the Z3 is its foldable design. Unlike traditional treadmills that take a lot of space, this one folded quickly and can stand upright. That means you can store it against a wall or under a piece of furniture when you're not using it. In terms of footprint, it only takes up 0.11 square meters. Super compact. WalkingPad Z3 is equipped with a digital screen that lets you track in real time your speed, distance, exercise time, number of steps, and your calorie burn. Everything is directly accessible from the screen or via the KS Fit app. Whether you are just getting some step in, doing a light jogging, or going for a full run, the Z3 adapts with two modes. The walking mode, great for light and low impact activities, and the jogging running mode, perfect for more intense workout. And a cool extra feature, you can adjust the spin while using the remote control or directly through the KS Fit app. Another advantage is it can very easily be transformed into a walking pad thanks to these innovative structures and retractable armrests. This means you can use it with a standing desk and walk while walking. It's a great way to increase your physical activities without thinking about it. No more sitting for hours in front of your computer. Regarding the speed, the WalkingPad Z3 Hybrid Plus go from 0.5 to 6.2 miles per hour. One thing to note is the speed is capped at 6 km per hour in walking mode. The Z3 is not just compact and practical, it's also very comfortable. Its running surface is 120 cm long and 44 cm long, so it is wide enough for a natural walk and run for all body types. It has 4 layers of cushioning which help to reduce impact on your joints. It supports up to 110 kg or 242 pounds. Another plus, the retractable armrest, which offer extra security, especially if you are a beginner or need additional support. And there is a small storage box where you can put your remote control, plus a built-in fold holder. One downside is not enough space to store the safety cord while not using it. Thanks to this brushless motor, the Z3 Hybrid provides enough power for an intense workout while remaining quiet. You can use it in front of the TV or during a work meeting without disturbing anyone. And this is a test. When it comes to looks, the black metal frame gives a sleek and sturdy appearance. Unlike plastic model, it's more durable and shock resistant. Here are a few things to consider before buying the Z3 Hybrid. Number 1, it's a bit heavy. It weighs 38.5 kg or 85 pounds. It's heavier than some walking pad, but the built-in wheels make it very easy to move around regardless of your strength. Another thing that could be improved, it's having the automatic footstep mode, like on the A1 Pro or the C2 for example. Also, being an hybrid means that you will have more steps before using one mode or another, which is not the case with a regular treadmill, but it's also one of its biggest strengths. Another thing is the safety cord has to be plugged in even on the walking mode, which means it will be resting on the ground, which is not ideal, but you will still be able to use it without any problem. Another thing to consider is it's only available in black, but to me it's the perfect color, making the design very modern. None of these are deal breakers, but it's good to know before to make a decision. So, is it the right fit for you? If you want a compact treadmill that's easy to store and move, it's perfect. If you are looking for a versatile model for walking, jogging and running, again, it's perfect. And if you want a complete display, retractable arm set and a quiet motors, the Z3 Hybrid Plus has it all. And the great news is WalkingPad is offering an exclusive discount. Use the link and the code in the description below. If you have any question regarding this WalkingPad or any other model, leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. That's all for me. I will see you soon. Ciao!